Hi! We're going to play a clapping game today. Are you ready? Let's start at the top. The orange letters sound like ch, ch. When you hear ch, clap. Ready? Ch, ch, chick, ch, ch, chick, ch, ch, chair, ch, ch, chair, beach, ch, ch, beach, ch, ch, witch, ch, ch, witch, ch, ch. Can you hear ch is at the start of the word, but sometimes it's at the end. Now, let's do the blue letters. Shh. Shh to those birds outside. When I say shh, put your finger over your lips, meaning be quiet. Ready? Shh, shh, sheep. Shh, shh, sheep. Fish, shh, fish, shh, 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 shapes, shh, shh, shapes, shh, shh, shark, shh, shh, shark. Super job! Now let's look at the green letters. They sound like f. To make the f sound, put your tongue between your teeth and blow. F, 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 thumb, f, f, thumb, bath, f, bath, f, tooth, f, tooth, f, moth, f, moth. That's difficult, so keep practicing. The last sound in red sounds like ung. Put 2 fingers gently on your throat and say ung. Can you feel that? It is vibrating. Ung. King, king, tongue, tongue, ring, ring, wing, wing. Feels funny, doesn't it? Well done! Can you think of any other words with these sounds? Bye!